Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the Bluetooth audio sound or music, treble, mid or bass on your Toyota CHR 2023 car. First, you need to connect your mobile device to the car via Bluetooth, so it can be an iPhone or it can be an Android phone. Okay, so once you have connected, you press on the audio button right here. This will open up Bluetooth audio, and to change the sound, you go down and press on sound. In here, tap on treble, mid or bass. That will expand the list. From here, you can increase or decrease the treble, the mid range, and the bass. And that's it. After that, you can press on the audio button to go back to now playing, and then you can play the music. And here you can decrease the bass, you can increase it, we can decrease the mid range or increase it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.